Hello everyone, I'm Zhan Wang. I will present our paper, VirtuWander, Enhancing Multi-modal Interaction for Virtual Guidance through Large Language Models, on behalf of co-authors from HKUST Guangzhou, HKUST, and Information Engineering University. The rapid advancement of virtual reality technology gives new opportunities for virtual museums to boost the audience visiting experience by offering diverse, flexible, and virtual assistance. To make a true experience more personalized, interactive, and knowledgeable, virtual guidance is mainly considered and designed from the aspects of immersion, engagement, and spatial awareness. However, this demands designing virtual guidance with natural interaction, responsive information delivery, and satisfying personalized needs. Large language models such as GPTs have showcased their powerful ability to understand user intent and engage in long multi-tone dialogues. They have also been widely applied in various downstream tasks. However, there are still two main challenges for the idea to leverage LLMs to enhance virtual guidance. First is to augment LLMs with domain-specific knowledge about virtual museums to make it accommodate various guidance thinking scenarios. And the second is to translate LLM's natural language input into multimodal feedback to make the true experience more engaging and immersive. So first, to understand which kinds of guidance users expect in virtual museum tools, we conducted a formative study with 12 participants in 3 simulated virtual museums. We discussed with them about their guidance needs and imagined interaction with an LLM-powered agent. We categorized their various guidance thinking contexts into 3 dimensions: stage, when they want guidance; information, what data or insights they want; and tasks, which kind of guidance they want. Based on these findings, we propose a design framework to build the relationships between the guidance thinking context and expected multimodal feedback. In total, there are 7 primary feedbacks that users generally expect LLMs to facilitate. And we also summarize the 5 most common feedback combinations. Except that voice and avatar are true always-on feedbacks, text window, highlight, and virtual screen are mainly expected for displaying overview and detailed information. Minimap and signpost are especially for navigational needs. Following this design framework, we develop VirtuWander, a voice-controlled system to enhance LLMs with domain-specific knowledge, to support personalized, interactive, and knowledgeable virtual guidance. We first iteratively designed 5 multimodal feedback combinations with 2 museum enthusiasts. Then, we developed VirtuWander with a 2-stage framework, employing a pack-of-both strategy. Multiple LLM-based chatbots are embellished with domain-specific knowledge to specify their roles and tasks to meet the requirement for interactive feedback at a responsive rate. In the first stage, users input their needs via voice, and we prompt a pack of bots to translate such natural language inputs into guidance thinking context, aligning with our design framework. Based on these LLM-formatted responses, VirtuWander then generates multimodal interactive feedback, which is finally displayed to users. Here is an example to help you understand our framework. Now, visitor inputs take me to Mona Lisa. The bot classifier identifies this as a navigation task, and the bot compiler knows that the second stage bots require additional location information. This location information is incorporated into the prompt of the bot navigator, navigator response to navigational comments, and a tool list including the location of the Mona Lisa. Finally, the visitor receives 4 kinds of feedbacks: an avatar speaking and walking to the painting, a mini-map displaying the visitor's changing location within the museum miniature, and a signpost indicating the direction from the visitor's location to the painting's location. Here are some examples of virus tool guidance, such as you want to experience a semantic tool, explore a single artwork, or you just want to customize a personal tool based on your own interest. To the time limit, I will only show you a short demo of the first example.
Please help me plan a tour for this museum in 30 minutes.
Sure. With 30 minutes, I recommend starting with an overview of the museum by visiting Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci, The Scream by Edvard Munch, and Impression, Sunrise by Claude Monet.
Take me to visit these paintings.
Certainly. Let's head towards the painting Impression, Sunrise by Claude Monet.
Take me to the next painting.
Certainly. Let's head towards the painting The Scream by Edvard Munch.
Take me to the next one.
Certainly. Let's head towards the painting Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. Follow me as we navigate through the museum to find the painting.
Summarize the tour and suggest the next painting.
You have visited some iconic paintings including Impression, Sunrise by Claude Monet, The Scream by Edvard Munch, and Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. For your next painting, I suggest visiting The Last Supper.
We also conducted a user study to evaluate the usefulness and engagement of LLM-enhanced multimodal feedback designs and the overall virtual tool experience with our system VirtuWander. All participants are asked to complete several guidance seeking tasks, followed by a free exploration stage. Although they have different preferences for various feedback, voice is always prioritized and virtual screen is the most preferred. Most of them also agreed that VirtuWander enhances communication, usefulness, and immersion during the entire tool experience. There are 2 major aspects of limitations in our work. First, the human may not be able to communicate with LLMs smoothly and show limited trust in AI-generated feedback. Future work may consider to combine both active tutorial and passive feedback modalities, or utilize human behaviors to automatically customize the system, such as communication styles or information standardization. Second, augmented reality provides the opportunity to extend our work into the real world. Future work may explore to build a one-for-all tool guidance application or integrate more social and collaborative interactions. Thank you for your attention. If you have more questions, feel free to email me.